Alrighty ladies, this is our second song for Tuesday at 6:10 High Hopes. So, at one point in our dance, we had all tied up, and that's when Hannah, you're in the center, and Lilia and Isabella, you came and slid your hands through so that we all were standing like this. So, we're going to change that little bit when he says all tied up to now, instead, we're just going to cross our wrists over our heart and cross it over our chest. And that comes after when we lean, then we put our hand here, then he would say all tied up, we're going to cross, then he would say no more love, we're going to drop our hands and look down, and then when I hate to see you waiting, Hannah, you're going to stay right where you are, and my two girls over here, Lilia and Isabella, you're going to make sure you spread out for this next part. And when he says, I hate to see you waiting, you're doing your little look, look, look. All right, so then the next little bit, after we have done our formation change, where we're going, our line consists of Isabella, Hannah is in the center, then we have Lilia. This is that point where we're going to mix up our line a little bit. That's the one where we crouch down and we walk to our new places. So that means our new line is going to go Lilia over here, Isabella in the center, then Hannah over on the side here. So then at this part we also added on where we're going to be in two groups. So my two girls on the end, Lilia and Hannah, you're going to go first. That's when we did this part, slide, slide, slide. Then you're going to go down and sit crisscross with your legs. Then Isabella, you're waiting your turn. You have your hands on your hips. You're waiting. Then you're going to go do it here. Come down. You're going to be sitting crisscrossed. And then we do this whole part where we go right, left, then we put it out, put it out. And when he says all tied up again, we're going to bring our knees up to our chest. And when he says no more love, look down. And then when he says, and I hate to see you waiting, you're going to look right, left, right. So I'm going to go right, left, right. So then we're going to do this new part that we added on Tuesday, where I'm going to slide my, see, it's always good if I can remember, ladies, my right from my left. So I'm going to slide my right leg across. I'm going to go slide, 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 slide. And he's going to say our certain word. I'll tell it to you when we do it with the music. You're going to hop over, bring your legs in. Then we're going to do it again. We're going to put our left leg across us this time. Slide, 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 slide. I'm going to hop this leg over. Boom. Bring it in underneath us. Then after that, we have a really cool ending where we pop up. We do the rest of it with the music. So now we're going to go, put on the song, and do it with the whole routine. So, remember ladies, this beginning starts with Hannah going first. Conductor, conductor, conductor. Then you put your hands down. Girls on the side, Isabella, Lilia. You do the conductor to the side. I'm going to be doing the girls on the sides for this part of the dance. Alrighty, ladies, here we go. Girls on the side. Isabella. Hannah. Lilia. Head roll. Isabella. Vision.
Always